allows us to use sophisticated literary devices like foreshadowing and callbacks. And no, these aren't just for novels. They are essential for managing cognitive load in complex analysis.
Okay, that's interesting. How are foreshadowing and callbacks integrated into strategic financial analysis without sounding gimmicky?
Well, foreshadowing builds intellectual suspense, and it manages how you introduce critical variables. For example, you might say, this complex tax structure is highly beneficial now, but we must foreshadow the regulatory cliff that awaits it in 2028. We'll detail the exit strategy for that in Section 4. You see what that does? It forces the listener to dedicate cognitive energy to tracking that unresolved future variable. It boosts retention, and it proves that your analysis is comprehensive. You've thought it all the way through.
And the callbacks then reinforce the learning by connecting these disparate parts of the analysis. Something like, remember that behavioral error we identified back in Section 1 loss aversion? Well, here is the exact moment that impulse led to a catastrophic decision for our case study subject 10 years down the timeline.
It creates a tightly woven tapestry of knowledge where every single piece of information reinforces all the others. This is absolutely essential for developing true, independent financial intelligence, which really requires synthesizing information across timelines.
That makes perfect sense. Now, this knowledge has to be grounded in reality, not just abstraction. The blueprint requires a realistic setting and location and even calls for cinematic scene descriptions. Again, why is providing a tangible physical and geographical framework so necessary for comprehension and successful simulation?
Because abstract market forces are just.